Well, guys, we are really fixing this house. When they first started fixing, we were not here. But now, since I'm here, I need to make sure everything is right. This sink here, they have to take it off because they moved it to the corner where my curtains cannot go through, so they had to move it a little bit here. At least it can balance, you see. Now this is the mess in this house. The funde, the machine is here. So, and this is the sink. They put it down here so that at least they can fix. Guys, we are doing major renovation in this house. I'm telling you, I don't know what to do. The house is a mess, but it's a good progress. And if you listen very carefully, you can hear people banging up here upstairs because we are doing major construction up there. So even here, my kitchen here, you see they did not fix it right, so I want them to put some tiles here so that you guys, when you come here, you find a good Airbnb. That's me. So you can find a good Airbnb actually to relax, that has a kitchen over here. It's a mess, but hey, this is the kitchen right here. Very nice. So we are trying to fix everything to make sure the water is running correctly or the way it's supposed to run. Guys, I'm in a mess since morning. I have been doing this. Also, I have been washing clothes, which I'm gonna go outside and show you in a little bit. Yes, you can see I've been doing some washing over there. This is the terrace area. I have my water here I've been using washing. I have water, running water here. So when you come to this penthouse, we have water everywhere. We have outside toilet. You want to use the outside toilet, actually it's here and it's functioning. Look at that, very nice. Also, this is how Nairobi city, one of the cities, looks like. Beautiful. The city is towards that side. It's actually 10 to 15 minutes from my house. You are in the downtown CBD or city. So here I'm outside. They're building up there. That's where you can hear the noises coming from, but I'll take you there in a little bit. Let them finish and then we can go up there and see what's actually going. Guys, welcome to Nairobi, Kenya. I'm telling you, Mama Africa, I'm so happy to be here. I'm excited to be here. People are constructing. This is home, and I know I came home when my dad passed, and it's been actually 2 weeks, and I feel like now I can make videos for you. I'm gonna show project home here. Let's just walk back. It's a mess, it's dusty because we have building up there. You can see this is the construction area upstairs there, and this is down here. Very nice area here. And when you come here, this is where you are going to be, and also this is where we have our home here. Of course, we have another room here which I need to find the key and show you. And of course, now we're in the house. Let me close the door behind me. We are in the house where we are fixing all those. My bedroom goes over there. We're fixing another tile. As you can see, this is my bathroom. Look at the mess that is going here. So they had to redo all the bathrooms. We are going to take off actually these tiles. Look what is going on here in my bathroom. This is a mess. The people who did this bathroom, I don't know if people are okay in their mind. They had to put some rocks and pipes and everything in the pipes. So the toilet, actually this pipe was blocked, so the smell was not going out. So the other machine has to come here and redo the whole thing. That's how we are dealing with this bathroom right now. And I am not happy right now But hey, what can we do? So we have to redo all this bathroom, which is okay with me, but it's painful whenever you give somebody a job. Actually, they don't do the right job. And actually, if you live abroad and you are assigning people to help you to build a house, and then when you come home, you want to enjoy your house, and you found everything's a mess. The toilets are not working, the sinks are not working. Some people are put things in there to block the sewage, so they punishing you. They want you to come and call them to do the work again. It's really, really terrible, painful. But hey, what can we do again? As a motor lifestyle, I say I just brush it off and say, let me just do it again. Okay, let's keep the tour, guys. That is what is going on in my life right now. It's a mess. My penthouse is a mess, and yeah, we are actually trying to fix it. Let's fix it. I'll show you the final product once we fix it. I don't know, guys. I'll show you once we fix it. So let's go out in this hallway. This is a huge, very amazing hallway. So whenever you come here, you can put your chair here, you can eat out here, you can wash out here, because we have a sink here. Actually, we are trying to put a wash and dry here because we have water here. And you can just, sometimes I wash my clothes here. You can open these windows and overlook Nairobi city on the other side. I can see some high-rise apartments coming on, which is really good. So right now we are in construction. Nothing much going on in my life right now other than trying to do the right thing, trying to put the sink where they belong. But it's a blessing, all I can say. It's a hard work, but it's a blessing. So guys, I'm here, and actually I was watching my TV. I was watching Congrats Mom and Me Total. I am Marwa, so I love to watch a Marwa family all through. Angomo is right here. I was watching Angomo as well. I watched Marwa, I watched Dimwanko, I watched Congrats Mom, I was watching Angomo from Kenya. So these are my people, and I love to watch this family, and I love to support this family. Over here I have an African theme. Look at my decorations, guys. Yay! These decorations, these ones here, I got from one Kisi capstone. It's called Tabaka. I have a video that I'll be showing you very soon, that where I got these original carvings from this city. It's called Kisi City. It's in Tabaka area. I think I did a couple videos which I'll be showing you how they just transform the rock and make into these carvings right here, beautiful carvings that we have. So this is really beautiful. So I'll be showing you that video very soon. I'm here waiting for my mansions, whatever, to finish all this mess. I'm hungry. I need to eat lunch, but I cannot cook when there's dust everywhere. I think today I may go and maybe eat out or something like that, which I don't like. But unfortunately, we are in a construction mood. That's why I'm not even making more videos for you guys to see. But hey, I will probably try to make videos for you where I can. I don't mind, it's construction. I want you to see the really drama. I want you to see the real life here in East Africa, Kenya. I know I came for my dad's burial, but at the same time I'm here to kind of make this penthouse look good and beautiful for you. So whenever you come, you find everything is functioning and everything is supposed to be. Let me leave you alone. Let me go try to find something to eat before the people come here. There's so many people up there. I'm even scared to go vlog up there because these people are scared of the cameras. They don't want to see the camera. I'm like, don't record me, don't record me. That's where I'm not. I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna record you. So but when they finish, I'm gonna take you up there so that I can show you what's one and what's happening or what's going on. Guys, another thing that I am, oopsie, my nails, guys. Whenever you come to Africa, don't come with the fancy nails. Here I'm washing, I'm cleaning, I'm doing whatever. I tried to put some gloves, but the gloves are not doing justice. Look at my nails. They just came off. They just look weird. But don't worry, I'm gonna find somebody. We have some salons here, so I'm gonna find somebody at least to fix my nails. Let's just finish construction. Then we can beautify ourselves. Look at my locks, they're just crying like, oh my god. This is Umoto lifestyle. Don't worry, we are in Mama Africa, Kenya, and this is how we roll when we are in Africa, Kenya. Guys, from my messy penthouse to you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao ciao. I love you.